Are you ready to dive into the exhilarating world of affiliate marketing? Look no further because in this video we will delve into the world of affiliate marketing for beginners. Whether you're aiming to make a few extra bucks or dreaming of a full-time income, this video will transform your approach and turbocharge your results. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or someone seeking a side hustle, affiliate marketing provides a flexible and scalable income stream. By leveraging the power of the internet and strategic promotion techniques, you can reach a global audience and tap into the vast potential of online commerce. Before diving into the intricacies of affiliate marketing, it's essential to grasp the fundamental concepts. At its core, affiliate marketing involves three key players. First, the merchant or advertiser. This is the company that creates and owns the product or service being promoted. Then there is the affiliate or publisher. As an affiliate, you act as the marketer, promoting the merchant's products or services to your audience. You earn commissions based on the predefined terms of the affiliate program. Then there is the consumer. These are the individuals who visit your affiliate links, make purchases, or complete desired actions, such as signing up for a service or submitting a lead form. Affiliate marketing offers numerous advantages that make it an attractive business opportunity for beginners and seasoned entrepreneurs alike. Here are some compelling reasons to consider becoming an affiliate marketer. There is the low startup costs, passive income potential, flexibility and location independence, scalability, no customer support or inventory management, plus you have access to diverse products and services. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing presents a lucrative opportunity for individuals seeking financial freedom, passive income streams, and the flexibility to work from anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step today by identifying your niche, researching profitable affiliate programs, and building your online presence. The world of affiliate marketing awaits, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can unlock its vast potential and achieve remarkable success. If you would like to learn more, there is a link below this video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.